Login loop error on BBT, now Truist Fix. If your now Truist mobile app keeps looping you back to the login screen, don't panic. This is a common glitch that many users face, especially after recent app updates or system changes. But the fix is actually much simpler than you might think. Most people assume the issue is with their password or account security, but the real cause is usually corrupted cache data or an outdated app version. Here's how to fix it step by step. First, close the Truist app completely. Then, go to your phone settings, find apps, and select Truist. Tap Storage, and then clear both the cache and app data. This wipes out any saved login sessions that may be causing the loop. Next, reopen the Truist app, but this time manually type in your username and password. Skip using autofill just for now. If you normally log in with Face It or fingerprint, disable it temporarily until you've successfully logged in once. If you're still stuck in the loop, check your device's date and time. Make sure it's set to automatic. Truist security systems use time-based verification, and an incorrect device time can prevent the login from completing. Also, if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. Truist fraud detection systems may block connections that appear to come from unknown or masked locations, causing repeated login attempts to fail. Finally, uninstall and reinstall the Truist app from the App Store or Google Play. This ensures you have the most up-to-date version with all recent bug fixes. Once you're back in, enable two-factor authentication or biometric login again for faster, more secure access next time. So if your BBT or Truist app keeps looping you back to the login screen, it's not your fault, it's just a simple data glitch. Clear your cache, update your app, and you'll be back to managing your finances in minutes.